Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look what a special treat I got for you today. 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5 TRD off-road. This one belongs one of the subscribers, local owner of this brand new Toyota. There's only like 900 miles on it, and he already brought it for the engine oil and filter change. And this is what I learned today. She was manufactured in San Antonio, Texas in July 2021, but she was in the storage for a while because that chip shortages. Then she was shipped from Texas to the Portland, Oregon in November, and he took delivery in the Grants Pass, Oregon in December. So it was like a half year of sitting around. And he brought her for that engine oil and filter change, despite she had only like 900 miles, because he counted that this original factory oil, engine oil, has been in truck for approximately 10 months. I'm not sure where he read, but he said some data says that the interval for that engine oil could be as low as 6 months. So because she's his baby, she loves it. He has also super beautiful in the same theme 4Runner. I serviced it for you and filmed it on this channel. So he's perfectionist, he loves this baby, wants to keep her forever. So he decided to change that engine oil, despite the fact somebody might think it's too early. He just wants to make sure everything is perfect. I have the Toyota factory stuff, oil and filter ready, and I will be doing it in different video. But in this video I want to discuss that fact which he brought up, that basically that new vehicles are being stored because they are waiting for those chips coming off the production line. They are stuck, and the oil, engine oil and other oils might be getting old. She's also super beautiful in my opinion, and there are some special things, more special things about her. He explained me that in 2021 this is the end of the 5.7 liter V8. I am not paying much attention to these things. Unfortunately, I should. So we will look under the hood on that engine, how clean it is, in just a second. First, I wanted to show you what he gave me as a gift. He took his time and gave me this for the channel. I really appreciate it. This is awesome, so thank you so much. We will be using that in the future, and I waited for his truck to show up. So thank you, and let's go look under the hood. So this was all detailed here because I guess from that storage it was dusty and dirty. But look at that, how often we have a chance to look on basically brand new engine. Everything is cleaned. Look at it. I dig it. I would love to own a truck like this, obviously. Who won't? So here we go. That's that I-Force 5.7 liter V8. Look, these little marks for what the inspectors do to make sure everything is in the place. Toyota battery, everything nicely installed by the book. They did a good job, these people. Look at the brake fluid, it's so clean you cannot see it. Finally, Finally, perfection. ABS unit, all the wires, look at the shine of that valve cover. I totally love this. So obviously it was not just detailed only in the engine bay. He said he immediately got it from the local professional detailer, ceramic coated, so that entire paint is ceramic coated. That guy gave him even a special drying cloth, apparently, how to maintain, how to dry that surface of the paint. One more thing he brought up when we were here together talking, chatting about his baby. He said this one was made in July. At the very end, after that, he said August, and he mentioned 2 months. So he said August and September. We still have a power steering fluid, and the power steering pump is right there. Apparently Toyota already sent him notice for a, I will say, recall, I guess, because last 2 months of this production the power steering pumps started leaking the oil. So he said, my VIN doesn't belong there, I should be fine. We already looked at it with the light and it's absolutely clear, there's no fluid anywhere. So this was another technical, basically, story about this vehicle. Here you can see inside of the lights, everything is changing, everything is progressing forward. There is like a little placard saying Tundra. I'm getting in my own way of my lights, so yeah, here is the grill, very interesting. Again, thank you for that. Fog lamps, and let's go and hop in the cabin. Let's first check the back. So he has already that Mexican theme blanket, very typical, I will say, for California. I love that detail. This is pretty simple, just plasticky doors. As I said, if you touch the paint, it's unbelievable. That ceramic coating makes it, I will say, extra slippery. So it's a heavy rain today, you heard it as I'm making this video, yet the water kind of gets off that paint. Here the stuff, I will say, pretty standard. 967 miles. Without even putting the key in, you can see already the miles. Here is that screen with all the controls. Well, standard, right? The seats super nice. I love the bolstering. It's pretty cool. Classical. Here the controls for the seat, the pedals, the parking brake. It's the pedal as we know it. Nothing flashy. This is not some train with leather seats and so on. So it's pretty cool. I just wanted to give you a little tour since we have a permission to do that. The owner is happy with that, if I can film it. As I said, he's a big fan of the channel. He's watching it with you guys. So that was the stuff he wanted to kind of bring up, those chip shortages. It has on the roof that fin. I wasn't aware of that. I didn't see it before. The light goes off. Nice bed, usable deep bed. So that was basically it. It was a little tour of, to me, brand new truck. People don't bring it here, right? People first bring their vehicles under the warranty to the dealership, and only after that I might be able to work on them and see them. This is something which to me looks brand new inside out. So I thank you for watching, and be subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. Like for example, engine oil and filter change on this baby, which I will just start filming in a minute. As I said, we obviously bought him only what belongs in it. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.